Yo, what's up? Welcome to Wing Motorsports Garage. So, a little update on this video series with the LS S13. As you can see, it's in the car. So, there it is. So, it is like I said in the last video, LQ4 with pistons, custom heads, cam, valve springs, all the goodies that go involved with that. So, that being said, LS3 injectors with LS2 intake. A few things like that. These fuel rail fit up really well. Deep motor, I've found them on eBay. As far as fuel rails go, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, they're pretty much the same. So these fit up really good. I like them because they're black. They'll blend into the motor. Kind of going with some aesthetics on this thing as much as I can to make it look cool. So here's something LS guys should think about. You want a fixed tensioner. It's got a bolt on the back. You adjust it once you put the belt on. I definitely recommend these because I've seen the ones that are spring-loaded break during drifting, during like the nice, the throttle going brah, 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 like that. So anyways, that's something for you guys to think about if you want to get rid of. I mounted my oil relocator down here, my oil filter relocation. I put it on this side for now. I guess I'll run the lines. I'm kind of debating on it. I may move it to the other side. I'm not sure. I kind of like it there, but at the same time, it may flow better on the other side. So, well, flow better as far as like the routing of the lines go. So I haven't decided yet. That's something I'm going to probably do tonight and get figured out. But dry shell's bolted up. I mean, everything, all the engine mounts, everything like that's done. It's sitting where I want it to sit finally. So as you can see here, the clutch master cylinder is, I mean, it's like an 1/8 inch gap, maybe 1/16 roughly, and it's hard to see, but that starter tucked down in there, she is very, 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 very tight. So there's definitely a little bit of clearance. The Hitachi style starter with the LOJ conversion starter conversion bracket that they have, I altered it to make that starter fit it. So it's definitely can be done with a right hand drive. It's a lot smaller starter. Kind of proud of getting that to fit. It's supposed to be good up to like 11:1 compression ratio. The engine I have here, this is supposed to be around 11:1, so should be good. I'm probably at capacity on that starter. Hopefully it works fine for me. If not, I'll probably have to get the same style starter, but have to get it wound a little tighter. I know a guy down in Cape, they can probably do it. They do alternator starters and alternators. Anyways, that being said, here's the replacement KA to the new coupe that I bought. Buddy of mine dropped that off last Sunday, so that's gonna get probably shipped down to Bloomsdale, and I may do that on the lift. I don't know, unless I bring the car up here. Not really sure. So the plans for tonight will be, try to do the oil cooler lines, finish up some of the stuff on the top end of the motor. As far as wiring, I don't know if I'm gonna get to the wiring tonight. I'll probably just wait till tomorrow because I can't. Even if I wanted to wire it all up, it's not like I can start it. I don't have a cam angle sensor, so that comes in tomorrow. Then I can do that, hopefully fire it up. Hopefully I'll be to that point. So tonight's goal is mainly just finish bolt up the exhaust, maybe do the shifter and oil cooler lines, and then that's probably all I'm gonna be able to get done tonight. It's already late, so we'll see. So anyways, just gonna do the finished project within the next couple of days. Hopefully I'll be driving it. So see you guys later.